No! No! God! No! God, please, no! Honda Fit with no AC. Here for AC diag. We love it. We love it in this temperature. Well, that's not right. It's probably closer to 90 with what feels like a 95 today. That's alright though. We have these 4 AC settings. Couldn't have picked a hotter day for you, could you, bud?
Technology.
The compressor's spinning down there.
Ain't got no gas in it.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Beep. See what we recover here. Little low, takes about a pound. We evacuated it, we did a leak test, put it on vacuum, leak test passed, put some dye in it, put some oil in it, refilled it, now we're going to see if it's cold. Nice and cold now, so next step we do, we check it with it running, make sure we don't see any leaks. If we don't see any leaks, we have the customer drive it until it gets warm, or for a few weeks, whichever they prefer. Come back, look for dye, see if we find anything, and we go from there. Mint.